Hello guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how you can move your files, photo documents from one Google account to the other without any need of you downloading and re-uploading to the other accounts. All you have to do is just these basic simple steps. Now you open the main account you want to copy from. Then you select the pictures or videos you want to. So I'm using all this now for an example. Then you click on the share icon. Now it generates a link. You can see. Now copy this link. Then open another browser where the other account is hosted. And the account you want to. Now you can see there's no image, no document here. So all I have to do now is just paste that link that was previously copied. So you can see those images are here. Those same images. Now what I'll do now next is to click on the save icon here. You can see. So once I'm done saving it, it's permanently here. So it's up to me now to decide what I want to do. If I decide, I can decide to delete from Google Drive A, or I can decide to still have it on both accounts. It's your own decision to make. Hope this tutorial helps you. Now, so thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe.